I'm Michael Boyd.
I'm Jaime Neese.
And we had a optical sensor detector, and our application was we have the LEDs light up from right to left in increasing order of magnitude of how close an object gets to the detector.
And how reflective it is.
Exactly.
So basically the circuit is, well, the sensor itself is an infrared light emitting diode and then a phototransistor. So the diode emits infrared and then the transistor picks up the reflections from it. And it increases the current going through the transistor based on how reflective an object is. So we had to have a current limiting sensor for the diode and then as small a sensor as possible for the emitter of the transistor to keep VCE as close as possible to what it had on the data sheet.
Which was 5 volts.
And then, but also to pick up a voltage difference so that we could see the current going through it.
Okay, so our demonstration, the maximum distance it could detect was about 3 centimeters according to the data sheet, and as you get closer, you can see the LEDs light up. But there was part on the data sheet that it did reach a max. So when it touches the actual sensor, it actually goes back down. And as you can see, it is more reflective on white surfaces according to black. And this is a just normal photo ID. So we have the white and then the black part. You can see that the white gets all the way up to the top. But when we go to the black, the biggest was only one light would light up.
Cool.
And in addition, on a bigger scope, this could be used for maybe security purposes at a museum or something. Obviously, it would have to be amplified into feet rather than centimeters, and it could detect once it got too close to something, an alarm would go off. And then Jaime had another explanation of a different project could be used for.
For robot tracking device, it could be used as the eyes. If there are multiple of them lined up at a certain distance away, you could tell if it was over the black or if it was over the white and how to readjust back to get on the line.
Cool, thanks.